So we're gonna learn about how nature is beautiful. So while I'm digging through this, you'll see some flowers pass by. You'll try and guess them. If you guess them correct, you'll get
nothing.
Give yourself a pat on the back and you'll get a gold star from Shein. All right, I'm poor. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I got it. Oh, okay. Here it is, tweezers. We can use it. How to use tweezers exactly? I don't know. I'm a cat. Anyways, I know that these take out little hairs. Anyways, oh, I think I found it. Bowl. It's just a bowl. But that's not all. Masher! Let me take a piece of these flowers. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. Because nature is beautiful. I'm gonna be in the grass. But first I'm gonna jump in the grass. In 3, 2, 1. Next, I'm gonna go in a garden. Like a garden I grew offline. Whee! Ow! Okay, so guys, my tripod fell. Cut. Now this is the great structure. My tripod fell again. No wonder why I should have bought this from Temu. Why are you pointing at the great picture of the microwave? Cut! Anyways, I can't hold the tripod. Cut. I got this from Alabama. Ah! Cut. Whoa! I got this tripod from Amazon. Anyways, look at these. You probably saw this in the video. Anyways, this is an actual lesson. This is actual lesson. I'll be in the microwave.